Minista wa urimi na ndethi ya MPITHUKIRO Linturi muthenya jwa narua ni akinyite mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge yegiĩ utalii kenda gucokia biuria biegiĩ ngwatanĩro ya rwangi rwa urimi na rwa NYOMOO cia kithaka. Akiaria Linturi na ugite bagekaga micemanio magita kwa magita bagwatanĩrĩte na ndwangi cia NYOMOO cia kithaka na utalii kenda guchwa ntaira cia kuthiria nkucanio gatigati ga ntu na NYOMOO.
Akiaria mbele ya kamiti ya utalii ile tongeletwo ni mubunge wa Mara Kareke Mbiuki, waziri wa urimi MPITHUKIRO Linturi ni leithite ministry yae ni banganite ikarande na kuthirwe na loalia na ministry ya utalii kenda kuraithiria na kuthithira ugaruruku mianya ile ya kiwatho kenda gutethira ministry ya utalii gutigira Kenya balabala ngikite kumana na kwithukirwa ni nyamo jia mitu ni bakolewa.
So waziri, with all due respect, you know, you have seen one government approach. What are you really doing? Because for us to be able to address these critical issues of human rights conflict, we might be able to resolve these 5 critical issues. So what are you really doing to come up with a policy as the Minister of Agriculture or as government? You know, the policy to address the issue of human rights conflict.
Chairman, again, let me say that we do not have to reinvent the wheel. And now that you've confirmed to me that there exists a policy, because this the Minister of Tourism and Wildlife appeared before you and confirmed it's there, then I will get back to my colleague the other hand and see where those gaps are, how we can be able to work together so that we have a seamless policy that is able to address these problems from both sides. The other thing is, once we are able to do that, and if there is any requirement for us to make proposals to Parliament for any changes in the law, I have no doubt that you give it the necessary support that is required so that we can all be aligned.
Kando na bobo, waziri Linturi nilithite ni akuthingatira kumenya namba ya antu baria bainyirikite kumane na kwithukirwa ni nyamo jia mitu na imera hamwe na nyamo jia ndethia kwithirwa kianangwa. Nteto ile ya KUUGA ilinde mabisa ba urimi kile kaunti.
It is only the Ministry of Agriculture that not have the data on crop destruction and livestock.
But waziri, it is your ministry, it is your sector, which normally correct, which normally verify and validate before compensation is done.
Chairman, you see, the national government is not the county government. This data is with the county governments, because the agricultural officers and domiciled are the county governments. Where we sit at the ministry, because of the nature of function, our officers do not extend to the county levels. They do not interact indirectly with the farmers. So when these losses arise, their first home of call or center of call is the agricultural officers, as you are putting it, and these are officers of the county government.
Kulingana na waziri Linturi na wirigirwa atikire bimebili bejete akithilwalaniritie na ministry ni utalii na mianyelele ya kiwatho kwithirwa kiraithirwa.
I would beg to be allowed to really consult my counterpart at the other end, but we move with speed. In the event it is not there, we will work also that in another 2 weeks' time we will develop something that we can be able to do before cabinet for discussion.
I want to suggest much that you be collating with the Ministry of Wildlife so that you can know about the compensation. In the meantime, as I said earlier about goodwill, I'll suggest that you go out more on awareness, on sensitization, so that the farmers can know, first of all, there's insurance, crop and animal insurance, and secondly, how to prevent themselves. How do they keep themselves away from these wild animals?
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kadhinya.